Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about Standard 10 English poem Dust of Snow. Dust of Snow is written by Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost was an American poet. He was born in San Francisco, California. He is known for his realistic depiction of rural life. He frequently wrote about settings from rural life in New England in early 20th century. Students, now I am going to read the poem, so please you listen it carefully. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I ruined. Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem. In this poem, there are some hard words, and which are they? First is hemlock and second is ruin. Hemlock is a poisonous tree with a small white flowers. Second, ruin means held in regret. Now I am going to explain this poem. Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem. It is written by Robert Frost. This poem tells that even a simple moment has a large significance in our life. The poet has mentioned crow and hemlock tree in this poem. Crow signifies his depressive and sorrowful mood. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Both these signify that the poet was not in a good mood, and so he describes the dark, depressive and bitter side of nature to present his similar mood. Students, in first stanza we have seen that the poet says that once he was in a sad, depressive mood and was sitting under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on the same tree shook off the dust of snow, small particles of snow that remain on the surface after the snowfall on the poet. In second stanza we have seen that this simple action changed the poet's mood. He realized that he had just wasted a part of his day repenting and being lost in sorrow. But the change in his mood made him realize that he should utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. His sorrow was washed away by the light shower of snow dust. His spirit was revived and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day. Thank you so much, students. Bye.